Is your iPhone overheating? Try these simple fixes. Close all background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Swipe up on each app preview to close it completely. This clears temporary app activity and may help resolve minor performance or software glitches. Turn on auto brightness. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Select Display and Text Size. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Turn auto brightness on. This automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on the lighting around you. Check battery usage. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Battery. Scroll down and tap View All Battery Usage. Review the list to see which apps have consumed the most battery throughout the day. Pay attention to any app showing unusually high battery usage. You can also check home and lock screen usage to see if your display activity is consuming excessive battery. Turn on Low Power Mode. Open the Settings app. Tap on Battery. Scroll down and tap on Power Mode. Turn Low Power Mode on. Low Power Mode reduces certain background activities and power-intensive features. Keep Low Power Mode enabled for a while and check if your iPhone starts cooling down. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. Release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. This can clear temporary software glitches that may be causing excessive heat. Hopefully, these solutions helped cool down your iPhone and prevent it from overheating again. And that's it.